Simple stretch to eliminate back pain instantly. Back pain is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide. Whether it's caused by prolonged sitting, poor posture, or strenuous activities, dealing with back pain can be frustrating and limiting. Fortunately, there is a simple yet highly effective stretch that can help alleviate back pain instantly. This stretch is known as the cat-cow stretch, a gentle and effective movement that promotes flexibility, reduces tension, and improves spinal health. How the cat-cow stretch works. The cat-cow stretch is a dynamic movement that involves alternating between two yoga poses, cat pose Marjaryasana and cow pose Vidalasana. This stretch works by gently mobilizing the spine, increasing circulation to the back muscles, and relieving built-up tension in the lumbar, thoracic, and cervical spine. Benefits of the cat-cow stretch. Reduces back pain. Helps release tension and stiffness in the spine. Improves posture. Encourages proper spinal alignment. Enhances flexibility. Stretches the back, neck, and shoulders. Boosts circulation. Increases blood flow to the muscles, aiding in pain relief and healing. Relieves stress. Promotes relaxation and relieves physical and mental stress. How to perform the cat-cow stretch. Step 1. Get into position. Start by positioning yourself on your hands and knees on a soft surface or yoga mat. Ensure that your wrists are aligned under your shoulders and your knees are aligned under your hips. Keep your spine in a neutral position and look straight ahead. Step 2. Perform the cow pose. Inhale deeply as you drop your belly toward the floor. Lift your head and tailbone upwards, creating a gentle arch in your back. Open your chest and stretch your abdominal muscles. Step 3. Transition into the cat pose. Exhale slowly as you round your back toward the ceiling. Tuck your chin into your chest and pull your belly button inward. Push through your hands to stretch the upper and lower back. Step 4. Repeat the movement. Continue transitioning between cat and cow poses for about 1 to 2 minutes, breathing deeply with each movement. Aim for a smooth and controlled motion. Additional tips for maximum effectiveness. Move slowly and mindfully to prevent strain. Keep your core engaged throughout the stretch. Perform the stretch in the morning and before bed for optimal relief. Combine it with deep breathing for added relaxation. When to seek professional help. While the cat-cow stretch is highly effective, it may not be enough for severe or chronic back pain. If you experience persistent pain, numbness, or sharp discomfort, it's best to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation and treatment. Conclusion. The cat-cow stretch is a simple yet powerful way to eliminate back pain instantly. By incorporating this movement into your daily routine, you can improve your flexibility, reduce tension, and promote overall spinal health. Give it a try and experience the relief yourself.